Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Sting Ray Grand Sport, a masterpiece that redefined American performance with its racing spirit and timeless elegance. Its low-slung profile and striking curves instantly captivate, blending vintage charm with raw muscle. Starting from the lower left, the pronounced wheel arches flare out aggressively, housing lightweight race-bred wheels that grip the road with intent. Moving upward, the hidden headlamps, a revolutionary design for its time, give it a stealthy yet futuristic appearance. The split front grille channels air efficiently while echoing Corvette's racing DNA. As we pan to the right, the smooth hood bulge hints at the power within. Dropping down to the lower right, the sculpted front valance keeps the car grounded, reducing lift at high speeds. Finally, back to the left, every line is purposeful, built for aerodynamics, built for victory. A true icon for those who believe in speed, competition, and American innovation. As we shift to the rear, the performance narrative continues. The sharply defined tail houses dual round taillights, each one a glowing reminder of Corvette's racing legacy. Moving toward the center, the Sting Ray insignia sits proudly, a badge of honor borne on the track. Below it, the wide dual exhaust outlets are positioned to amplify the deep rumble of the V8. Further to the right, the curvaceous rear fenders add both function and flair, hugging the wheels with an athletic posture. Down on the lower left, the rear valance completes the look, simple, purposeful, and unmistakably Corvette. This isn't just a car, it's a bold chapter of motorsport history on four wheels. Step inside, and the Corvette Grand Sport transports you to a cockpit designed for serious driving. The bucket seats, wrapped in classic vinyl, are bolstered for support, embracing you through every corner. The three-spoke steering wheel and analog gauges dominate the view, reminding you this is a driver's machine. Look across, and the center console carries race-inspired toggle switches and a close ratio shifter, emphasizing its purpose-built nature. Down to the lower right, drilled metal pedals provide the right feel for precise heel and toe shifts. Back to the left, everything is analog, mechanical, and alive. Nothing here distracts from the thrill of driving. Every inch inside serves a purpose, no frills, just function and speed. From the side, the Grand Sport's proportions scream performance. A long nose, compact cabin, and short rear deck echo the classic front mid-engine layout. Moving upward, the split rear window, unique to 1963, adds both beauty and controversy, a bold stroke of design history. As we pan across, the hand-laid fiberglass bodywork speaks to the car's limited run, lightweight origins. Down below, the race-tuned suspension and wide stance ensure grip in the tightest corners. Finally, returning to the left, the profile is unmistakable, low, lean, and ready for the track. An American legend sculpted for speed and precision. Under the hood, the Grand Sport houses a potent 377 cubic inch V8, delivering over 485 horsepower, staggering for its time. As you move up, the mechanical linkage and carburetors offer a direct connection between foot and fury. Across the center, the stripped-down engine bay showcases the race-built chassis and lightweight reinforcements. Shifting to the right, the front double wishbone suspension ensures sharp, predictable handling. And circling back to the left, this wasn't just a Corvette, it was Zora Arkus-Duntov's dream of racing glory, brought to life. Raw power, hand-built performance, and an untamed soul. Though only 5 units were ever made, the Corvette Sting Ray Grand Sport is priceless today. A collector's crown jewel, it symbolizes ambition, innovation, and the American spirit of racing. From its secret development to its historic track performances, the Grand Sport is more than rare, it's mythical. If you ever get the chance to witness one in person, know you're standing before one of the greatest performance machines ever conceived. Crafted not just to be fast, but to make history. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.